Hello everyone, welcome back to Marcus Cocktail Feed. I've got to adjust it again. I'm a wee bit tipsy, guys. I'm a wee bit tipsy. I think we all are. Oh God. Down. Okay, so before I start the video today, I would just like to say Sony are a load of rubbish. If you ain't heard, I'm still having problems with me DLC. On to the cocktail. Right, so today I'm making what is called a pink Russian. So we need a jug, Tia Maria, vodka, and tequila rolls. Right, so starting off, put some ice in the jug. Starting first, Tia Maria. Bit like Marmite, you love it or you hate it. Bit of vodka in that. You ain't told me to stop yet. Stop. More? Less? I don't know what he's saying. Oh God. Me nearly break it. Last but not least, bit of tequila rose. Hopefully this gives it a pink colour. I've never seen a pink Russian, but Jesus Christ, that looks a bit
Oh, you don't put tea in a brewery.
I'm going off the recipe I've been given by Mum. So if it all fails, blame her.
They look very pink, anyway.
Well, I don't know what colour it's meant to go. Oh,
Pink Russian. I should have imagined
gonna
pink.
mix it. That, to be quite honest, does not look pink.
You put too much bad stuff in it. Too hard taste, Marcus. Go on, you always pull faces. Let's have one pull faces too.
They got an oyster scop in it. Go get us some orange juice.
Right.
Got my assistant, Miguel.
No, you haven't got enough to put it, mate. That's gone. You put too much in there.
Well, it don't blooming say how much you put in it.
We don't put a bottle of vodka in. It's going to be good, mate. It's going to be good. It's got to be good because it's got vodka in it.
Oi,
Don't worry.
look at that sign. Barkers. Not Bar Ike. Barkers.
That sounds like a dog's play, you know.
I'm Marcus.
Barkers.
I'm Marcus. You've got something on your nose, you nut job.
What?
I don't know. I'm Marcus. Right, nice to meet you. I'm
Nice to meet
Marcus.
I'm all in the shade here. So.
This is my bar.
That's not gone right.
If you do not like mixtures. Oi! Cocktails go along.
Let's me and you try this. What your mum does.
Me and you.
Yeah, just put a little bit in the glass.
Would you like ice?
But I like ice. Of course I like ice.
Alright then.
Cold out here. Yeah, get off.
Let me do it. For the views.
Whoa! Hey! Oh, man.
I would have wanted to put it down on square, but
He said not to throw rubbish over the balcony. I'm going to fall over on that one. He's all wet. Come on, me and you try it.
oh! It
So
is
there's-
actually meant to look like that, guys. Can you see it? Jesus.
Probably can't see because of the sun. Here you go.
That is
Oh, it's still so. You see that, guys? I don't know whether you did or not.
So, we've actually done it
Do like
right.
it. Do like this. Bit of ice in there so I won't go wait all day. Yep.
You poor bud.
I'll put the old spoon there. Don't lick it. Just a test, I see, in case we don't like it.
I know that, like it. Go on.
Yeah, I'm going to be a man and drink this.
Go on.
Smell the chocolate. What smell the chocolate?
Alright.
Smell it. You know, it's in
Smells
there.
like coffee.
Chocolate.
Just drink it. But can barely see you.
Yeah, you can barely see me. I'm ghosting into the performance.
Only because this channel's that shite, guys.
Come on, let's get you to try it.
And I don't want to swallow ice, so I'll get me short. Shift your fat arse over. I want to do thumbnail pic. Don't you dare ruin it.
There you go, guys. Has he pulled a face, yeah? Yeah, there's a face. Mark, you just need to do the faces, that's all.
Why is it today we have only made foil disgusting cocktails?
For the ladies.
I don't get it. They're not torturing me.
This is going to be the medium.
Hey!
Bless you.
Right,
This is going to be the medium one today, I think.
I don't like it. For a cocktail,
No, no, any of them today. You want me to make you a cocktail?
no.
What do you like?
You do not have experience. So,
Right, we're going to move over to the table, guys, and we're going to try this.
yeah, move over to the table, get Mrs. Pisshead out here, and let's see what she thinks.
Very chocolatey. Can't read.
Hi everyone, my audition for Blind Date. My name's Marcus Jones, I am 23 years old. I'm originally from England, I now live in Benidorm. Not too sure on the sausage size. Big.
Come on, come on. Get down, you lad. Good for you.
Come on, he's doing a audition.
Good qualities. Can't really sing. I'm a good chef. Stop saying that, will ya?
Yeah, he's not bad at the food.
Yeah, I'm a good cooker.
Not as good as me, of course, but there you go.
Good cocktail maker. perfect for any single lads, any age, that might bit of experience. Anyhow, time to get on with the video.
And a big arse.
Shut up, you. Right, so we've done a pink Russian. It actually looks like a pink Russian is meant to look, so I'll let Mike serve it, I think.
Sit down, please, sir.
Okay, if only sit down.
You see me in the
Go.
bar?
Yeah, I can see it. Jesus
Right, guys, we're
Christ.
going to try this one. That does not look like a pink Russian to me. I would just done the vodka with.
Tequila sunrise.
This stuff, yeah. Tequila sunrise.
Tequila Rose,
Yeah,
Oh, tequila rose.
which is finally gone.
To be honest, false advertising.
You sounded like Naveed.
Mina, shut your bloody gob. Get the cash and carry and get a box of curly Wherleys.
So what we're going to do first, we'll give Marcus a drink because he hasn't had a drink for ages.
I do not like
Come
that.
on, Marcus, your
I
turn.
am not having any bloody more.
Do you want me to do your nice cocktail?
No,
Something you can drink.
no. So,
Okay, guys, we won't get the straws.
I have got the idea to maybe try
Yeah.
to a pint
Try that one.
cocktail and maybe some alcoholic milkshakes soon as well. So they're
Yeah,
coming
try
up
the
soon.
Looks like Bailey's, but. Oh, God. Serena Marie and that, guys, is just overpowering everything else.
So what is it, eh?
Pink Russian, Timber Beer, vodka, tequila base.
I'm going to just shoot over there. Sorry about this, guys.
Something is lethal in that.
Oh, it might be a vodka. It might be. Sorry, guys, I'll make the picture now.
Good.
Marcus, you're moving around.
I'm glowing.
Look at that.
She's pissed.
There we go. Should be able to see Sue now as well. This is floating on another planet. Go on, Marcus, get down here. Run more with that, okay?
Oh, I don't think I could do another one.
So, 3 cocktails today, guys. Thanks to Marcus for doing them. Yeah, well done, lad. 3 cocktails.
And he's doing a strip, girls.
Stop, Marcus.
I'm hot.
What do we drink in the other one again? What's the middle one, Marcus?
Mine. Benny John's good to Sue.
Oh, we drink that again.
It's nice.
Probably the other 2.
I think the mudslide maybe
Oh,
needed
I'd
more
probably
cream.
order something else.
More cream, and I think maybe the chocolate, because that's meant to be a bit more like a milkshake.
Come on then, Marcus. What do you think? Bacon stock or creamy? I think Marcus is going for the cream
I
section.
honestly don't like any of them.
You don't like any of them?
I mean,
I think that's because
they've all been a bit too sickly.
the
I'm
middle
not
one you had cream with.
potentially. I mean, I couldn't really taste the cream.
So, what are you been to?
I liked mine, the middle one. I think the mudslide, there was too much vodka in it, so it made it a bit more
Well,
watery.
probably.
I think it needed to be thicker with the cream.
Marcus, I think you can always have a guest on. Yeah?
But a mudslide, apparently, you can also top that up with milk afterwards.
Oh,
If, like, the alcohol is a bit too strong in it.
But the point is, you're going to make it alcoholic, you know? Yeah?
That's the point, and I mean, you learn from your mistakes, don't you?
I think
Well, you
Marcus
try
can
things.
be a bit heavy-handed with the alcohol.
Not my
Let's do
fault.
this one.
Not my fault. No one tells me when to stop pouring.
It's Tina Marie that's getting me in that. That'd be lovely with that Tina Marie. Probably pink as well. If there's any more, we could do another one and just show you, but
Be by now.
we're an excellent unfortunately. That vodka would be lovely. Tequila rose and vodka. Right, Tina Marie. Further on.
Maybe.
A lady's drink, of course.
So, yeah. Pong cocktail next week.
Prawn cocktail. Yeah, I reckon you will get some prime in it. In my opinion, Marcus, you will get some prime going into the cocktails. You will get some any drink going into the cocktails. Come on, just get it. And yeah, easy one to do is vodka and
Fine.
not prime. Any drink, some kind.
Maybe, yeah.
Flavour it. Be good. You get different flavours in the end drink, can't you? So yeah, maybe try a few of them.
If we had some grapefruit juice, there was another one he could have done, but we haven't got grapefruit finger juice in, so
What do?
next time,
Great.
Grape,
grapefruit.
not grapefruit, grape.
No, grapefruit. We can do it another time.
That's not good, guys. That's too much scenery and then like red stuff.
You got more? If you want.
So guys, it's the Jones family.
Yeah, this is the Jones family, guys. What you see is what you get, and if you don't like us, then
Hey.
Riff raff!
So yeah, Jones family. As I was going to say, Jones family on the Costa Brava.
Casablanca.
Costa Blanca, in the wrong place then. Thought we'd moved, didn't you? Yeah. Back in Vendome, very soon.
Somewhere in Spain.
Your video, mate, you shoot it when you want.
What you see is what you get with us, guys. We're a genuine family. No lies. No. We try to work hard. I mean, we do get a load of
Yeah, we do.
rubbish thrown our way, but I mean, we rise again. We rise from the ashes, I suppose. So,
Return.
yeah.
I think Marcus too. Oh yeah, ready to finish, yeah.
Much
Thanks for
love.
watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys. Smash that like, smash the subscribe, and as the saying goes, another day in the office, another day in paradise.
Well, yeah, timing right there, Marcus. Another day in the office, guys. That's all it
Another
is.
day in the office,
One
another
office,
day
alright.
in paradise. Absolute gorgeous.
And I go to bed.
No.
So, see you on the next one, guys. Marcus will be back with more videos. Halloween videos soon, Marcus, yeah. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And watch everything Marcus does. Bye, guys.